Well, hi guys, welcome back to the Bancho Gilly here. Model tank guy. Yeah, I know, it's not another tank, but hey. This is part 2 of my Christmas build. I'm starting really late. It's already late in December. Christmas is only a week away. So, as I said, part 2. As you all know, I started off with the Western Star tractor trailer. That's almost coming up. Hopefully that'll be up soon. Anywho, in part 2, we'll be doing the tractor trailer here with the old jolly fat guy on there. Here's the side of the box. I'll flip it over. Here's on the other side, you got those swinging doors, more pictures of the fat guy, and that awful drink name. And one thing I love about AMT, they like to put their sprue count parts on the bottom. This bottom of the box. So you get the decals, the wheels, clear parts, all the sprues and everything that goes with it that should be in the box. Well, no further ado, let's crack this puppy open. Here we got all the parts, all separate bags. I'll just dump this out. And this will be our little checklist on what's in the box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of paper. And here's all what's in the box. So got a bag of wheels. That looks like the trailer part. All the wheels and stuff. Chrome for the wheels, lighting, plumbing, and looks like door and part of the rest of the trailer frame. Okay, we'll quickly unwrap these and take a quick look at how it all looks. And in bag number 2, we got a bit of plumbing wire. I'm not sure what that is, just a thin piece of styrene sheet. And here's we got our red and amber clear parts for our lighting. I'm not going to open this because I don't want to lose any of that part. But yeah, there you go. Nothing special there. Bag number 3. Bag number 4. Here we got chrome parts. We'll open that up. Wheel caps, lighting, not sure what those are, a couple of brackets. Yeah. I wish they'd stop doing parts in chrome for us and just let us paint them ourselves. You'd think this day and age they would actually learn by now. Throw those over there. And we got another random bag here of parts. We'll open those. Just like that. So, here we go. Oh my god, look at that. Somebody puked all over this guy. And here. That's okay, that's just sprue. That's just on the sprue tree. No worries there. Looking at this, I'm not sure what the hell that is, but I know these are the doors for the trailer. Here's some more parts for the trailer. Not sure what these are. Has a bunch of holes in it though. This might go underneath the flooring of the cab. The box, sorry. And this is the front of the trailer. As you can tell, it has a little bit of plumbing in there for the lines to hook up to. And has the trademark in here. Let's see if I can zoom you guys in so we all get a look at that. 2019 blah 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 company, 2019 round 2, made in China. Yeah, I'm gonna get trouble for that one. Who cares? My video. Like it or don't like. Here we go. Bag number 5. Dirty parts over there. And off to the big stuff. I'll zoom you guys back out so you can see that. This way so you guys see everything that comes with it. Look, everything. And comes with a little letter R. Don't ask me why. I don't know myself. We're just opening this box, so. Yeah, here's the floorboard of the box. I don't know how well you can see that, but yep, that's the floor bottom. Kind of looks like it's wood planked or whatever, because you can see a wood pattern there, a couple of bolts going on the sides. So that's pretty cool. Forgot to show you guys the bottom part of it. So we'll look at the bottom part. Here's all the rib section. This looks like to be the front. This will be the back, because there's a little reinforcement there and a little lip for the doors, I'm guessing. Again, yep, you can tell that it's kind of like a wood pattern. Done. Next part, there's 2 pieces here. Nope, 1 piece. So this looks like to be, this could be the top. Yep, this is the top. Got some ribbon there on the, or it could be the side, not too sure. Who knows? We'll know when we build it. Not much going on there except for the rib section here and a slight lip there. So, long piece number 2, and here's one of the side pieces, because you can tell it has all the texture and lighting and little door hinges. Well, a little bit of detail on the inside. Not much going on. Bunch of holes here for connecting pins, I'm guessing. So you get 2 of those. They're simply just going to go up like that. There's your wall. As you can see, this is how long it's going to be. You can't even get it in the camera. Still can't get it in the camera. Hey, so that's what's in the box. Let's take a look at the, well, we all seen the decal sheet. Jolly old fat guy on there. I'm gonna save that. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look cute? We'll zoom you guys in for a better look here. And there he is. The jolly old fat guy that comes once a year. His poor wife, eh? Shell stickers, the decals feel really good. You got truck markings there. Put that to the side. We'll open the other one. There's the old fat guy's face again. And of course, that's the sponsor. And we got the rest of the other ones here, which is pretty cool. I kind of like this. I hope it turns out really good. But as for part 1, I got a new story for that one. I'll let you guys know in that video towards the end. Oh, there's another sticker. You got 2 of those. I like that, look at that. 2 fat guys. But, gotta admit, that's really good. I really like it. Next, let's get to what I call a dummy. Read the instructions. Not like most modelers, we really just glance through this and we just go as we go. Because we think we know what every part is, and you know, we're all rivet counters. So this is 1 page. See, stretches that out. Let me zoom you guys out for a second. There, 1 whole page, front and back. read this before beginning? Sure, we all read it, right? So you're starting with that and that and that. Flip the page over and you got one whole big step here. Bogie wheels, building the wall and everything else. Then adding the wheels after you're done painting everything that you need to paint. And last page, decal placement. Yeah, this might be a simple quick build. And this is part 2 of my Christmas build. I'm a little behind, don't ask me where this R came from, but it did come in a box. I'll zoom you in, it is a R. I didn't see no number 2, so who knows. Again, that is AMT Round 2 Holiday Van with the jolly old fat guy reefer. Thanks again for watching. Well guys, here's the parts for step number 1, the suspension build and assembly. As you know, in the first build, it was sprue indicated numbers, but as we go through here, these are actually steps, not sprue parts. So we start off with part 1, part 2, 3, 4, and so on. And that's how it's going to go, just like the last one. There you go, what you see there is what's on the chart there. I'll catch up with you guys when we get something built. So according to assembly of part 1 here, and this is how everything's going to be looking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. So, supposed to go like this. Sorry, like that. But that one looked much better, so we're going to go back this way. So we know which side is side. Okay. And we'll get back to the build, and I'll show you where I'm at next. Well, here we got part number 1, suspension done. As you can see, she looks like that. Comes in a few little spots, and we're good to go. See you at the next one.